Hi, hello, how are you all? I guess and I hope we all are fine. So, as the topic today is the best homemade mobile stand, we are about to look into that. But before getting into the concept, first what I'd like to say is let's have a look into the present homemade stands which we are having in our home and the present stand which is purchased from the shops which we are having in our home. Let's take a look into that first. First, the cardboard stand used in most of the houses for keeping the mobile in a stand which is made by ourselves in home itself. But is this cardboard stand useful? Yeah, this might fit inside a pocket and might be easy to carry. But the main problem with this is, look at this one. The main disadvantage of this stand, the cardboard stand, is the videos watched in mobile could be watched only in one angle. That is, if you are about to sit in a chair and if you are about to watch the mobile in a bench, this might be suitable. But otherwise, we cannot view from top angle like this. We could only view in straight angle, which would be suitable for our eyes, which would be the most and biggest disadvantage of this cardboard stand. So, this cardboard stand isn't that much useful. As this cardboard stand is not that much useful, I don't recommend this. Next one is this pyramid stand. Yes, just one A4 sheet is enough to make this pyramid stand, and it too has advantage. That is, it could be folded easily like this, and this could be carried anywhere by keeping it in our pocket. But there is a main and worst disadvantage. That is the most disadvantage in this stand. And the main disadvantage with this stand is, if you are about to watch straight, look, this pyramid cone over here, the top of the pyramid is blocking some amount of video, so which is a main disadvantage. So even this stand isn't useful, so I don't even recommend this stand also for you. The next stand is the stand which is purchased from shops. This stand might be adjustable and this stand might have a grippy hold, but the main problem and the disadvantage with this stand is, when we are about to watch videos in this stand, look at this one. We are about to make it straight and we are about to watch the video. But the main focus, the main disadvantage of this stand is, we need a smooth surface so that the suction of this stand holds strongly. Otherwise, if you are not having availability of smooth surface, suction of this stand isn't useful. So we are uncomfortable in watching videos in smoothless place. So the main disadvantage of this stand is the suction won't fit in unless there is a smooth face. I don't recommend this stand also. Okay, those were the stands which we are using even till today. So now it's the time to upgrade ourselves to the best homemade stand. And that stand is made by me, and the stand is this. Yes. This is the homemade stand which is made by me, and this would help everyone. This would help everyone to have a best stand for their mobile. Yes. It's the time to unveil the perfect stand. That is the perfect stand for mobile made by ourselves in home. That is made by me. And I'm here showing my stand to you all. This is the perfect stand. Look at the stand, the way it holds the mobile phone. Look, it holds the mobile phone perfectly and there are no obstacles which are blocking the video. That is perfect. So this is one of the best stand. This would be the best stand according to me, which is designed purposely for mobile. And let's have a look at the advantages of this stand. So let's have a look into the features of this stand, which has 8 advantages of having this stand. The first advantage of this stand is it's easy to make. Yes, obviously, look. This stand doesn't need any much requirement of materials, as this is that much simple to make for our mobile easily by ourselves from our house itself. The second advantage of this stand is very low material required. That is, look, a piece of cardboard, a double side tape, staplers, and to cut the cardboard, we might use cutters, and to cut the tape we just need a scissor and a cello tape. Third advantage of this stand made by me is this stand is completely adjustable according to our view of vision. Look at this one. Look at this one. If you are about to view the mobile from the top angle, we could keep the stand over here. If you are about to view the mobile in the middle angle, we could view from here. Look at this one. The stand is adjustable. If you are about to watch in the exact same parallel line with our eyes, this is also adjustable over here. Similarly, we have 6 angles, adjustable angles at this stand, which makes this stand perfect. As this is very easy, the adjustable condition of the stand is the main advantage of the stand. Look at this one. The fourth advantage of this stand is even our mobile could be watched in portrait mode or landscape mode as per our wish. Look, now the mobile is in landscape mode. As now the mobile is in landscape mode, this could also be viewed from portrait mode using the help of this stand. This is the main advantage of this stand. The fifth advantage of this stand is this stand don't have any obstacles which hides the video, as the bar which is holding the mobile is entirely at the bottom of the device. So there is no obstacle which will hide the video of the mobile which is shown. Look at this one. The sixth main advantage of this stand is this is very compact in design. Look at this one. This is very compact and this isn't very big to hold or very hard to hold. This is very light and very compact in style. The compact in style is the sixth advantage of this stand. So the seventh most big and good advantage of this stand is it has a very good grip which holds the mobile. Look, the holding grip of this stand might be very small, but the mobile device won't fall down, and even the holding grip of the angles are very strong which won't fall the mobile downwards, making it lie down. So the seventh most big and good advantage of this stand is it has a very good grip which holds the mobile. Yes, this stand obviously fits inside our pocket. Thank you guys. Hope so you enjoy this video and make a try at the home, this stand, make a try at this stand at your home, and you will definitely enjoy having a best homemade stand for your mobiles which is made by ourselves. And thank you.